Hello everyone. Today we are testing for the wireless barrier. For this one is the wireless relay receiver, and this wireless this siren is following the wireless barrier status. If the siren is flashing, it means there is someone blocked the pins. Now we start for the testing. Now we block the bins. If someone blocks the bins, then the receiver will be keep 3 seconds for the signal output, and the siren also will be flash 3 seconds. Now we block the bins again. If someone keep blocking the bins, some object behind the two receiver, then the siren will be keep flashing, and this wireless receiver will be keep output signals. Thank you.